Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, the International Open University offers a degree in education. A degree in education not like education as taught in conventional universities. Yes, the main elements are there, the same issues that need to be mastered in order for an individual to become a true educator. But we have added an additional dimension. That dimension is the Islamic ethical dimension, which makes education serve the Islamic goals for human beings, for human society. No doubt, education is critical for any society. The motto of the International Open University is changing the nation through education. So, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was an educator. As he himself said, that he was not sent to make things and life difficult for people, but he was sent as a teacher and one who would facilitate affairs for human beings. So education is critical to the Ummah, to the Muslim nation. It's critical for the future, to be able to change the direction in which we are going. We have lost control of our education. Education is what we have inherited from the colonial powers which have ruled our lands. Well, we need to take over. We need to bring education back under our control, from the Islamic perspective, to serve the Ummah in a way which brings us ultimately closer to God. So this is what the International Open University offers. Education taught from a moral perspective, an Islamic moral perspective, which we intend to change our next generation with. Because education basically is transferring culture from one generation to the next. Well, we need to have the most important elements of that culture, that of morality, interwoven into all aspects of our educational system. So this is what the International Open University offers, a way to achieve that goal. So we hope that those of you that have that inclination, and we hope many of you will have that inclination, to learn, to become educationalists, educators, and to get your foundation from the International Open University. So join us at your earliest convenience. It is online, so you can join 2 times in every year, in March and in September. And actually, you can join courses early in any of our semesters. So we welcome you to be a part of this experience, this journey towards God, Allah, in the way that Prophet Muhammad, may God's peace and blessings be upon him, wanted us to. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.